Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Vibiemme espresso machine. Now for this machine, it was brought here because it was not detecting water inside the machine. This power switch that takes care of doing that job of detecting that there's water in the tank, it was not activating. These are the two contacts that activate that switch. So whenever you put water inside the machine, there's a little bit, there's a couple of springs that contract, and as you start adding more water, there's a little screw that activates this switch as it starts to lower into position. So this switch was not working. We replaced that, calibrated, put it back together, and we tune up the machine. We replaced the shower screen, the one that you see right here. We replaced the gasket, the one that basically broke. And let me see if I can find a little piece. There you go. This is one of the pieces of the other gasket. You can see it's just piece of hard plastic. It's not even a gasket anymore. It just basically broke and disintegrated, just the way you see it like that. It was not bouncy anymore as this one. We also deep clean the group head over here, make sure there's no any coffee grounds, descale the machine, remove descale the machine, descale the boiler, descale the heat exchanger, and just give it a good tune-up, and that's what we did. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to test the machine out. Hopefully I pick up the right grand sandies on this machine, otherwise we're going to see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. I am using the grind that we use for our Lady Bianca, so it might be a bit finer for this machine, so we might just see coffee barely dripping coming out of the groove head. I did not tamper too hard, so hopefully we'll see a nice shot of espresso. You can see the bar going all the way already to the 10. So it's a bit finer, but you can see that the machine is still keeping up. It's still extracting it the way it's supposed to. No leaks in the portafilter. Nice steady stream coming out of the spouts. Great color forming in the cup as well. I'm gonna have this shot, so I'm gonna stop it right here. As you can see, nice layer of crema. Working good. Gonna have my shot over here. And now we can test the skimmer. Skimmer powerful, working excellent. And hot water. Working the way it's supposed to. Working great. It's harder to do it with just one hand. So there you have it, Vibiemme getting up and working once again. So thank you so much for repairing my Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day. And thanks for watching.